Drink this tea for liver detox and quality sleep. In this video, we want to talk to you about a tea that naturally cleanses the liver and promotes sleep. The liver is your body's filtering organ, responsible for filtering toxins in the blood and metabolizing nutrients. However, when the liver becomes overloaded with toxins from processed foods, alcohol, medications, and environmental pollution, it can slow down and become congested. This can disrupt both the body's ability to detoxify itself and our sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm. There is a close connection between liver function and sleep quality. The liver is an organ that works even at night. However, if the liver is working intensely while we are asleep, it can cause insomnia. This goes for both ways. When we suffer from insomnia for any reason, the release of stress hormones increases, leading to increased appetite and weight gain, disrupted eating habits, and ultimately liver fat accumulation. Fortunately, the tea recipe we'll share with you now helps with liver detox and ensures a good night's sleep. This powerful herbal formula also reduces inflammation in the body. Now let's take a look at the benefits of the ingredients we'll use in the tea for the liver. 1. Milk thistle. The active ingredient in milk thistle, silymarin, is a powerful liver protector and antioxidant. This compound helps regenerate liver cells, reduce liver inflammation, and speed up the detox process. 2. Dandelion root. Often found growing by the roadside, this wild plant is actually considered a superfood when it comes to liver cleansing. The compounds in dandelion root stimulate bile flow and help your liver break down fats and filter toxins. 3. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin soothes liver inflammation and aids in the detox process. It also helps you transition to quality sleep by increasing brain neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. 4. Ginger. Ginger root is another anti-inflammatory herb that supports liver function and healthy digestion. Ginger relaxes your digestive system, freeing your body to focus on detox and cellular repair. It also helps with nausea, which can contribute to insomnia. 5. Lemon balm. This calming herb is often used for insomnia and anxiety. Lemon balm increases GABA, a neurotransmitter that slows down nerve activity in the brain, helping you relax and fall asleep. Lemon balm also supports the liver in the detox process. 6. Chamomile. Chamomile is a soothing herb that has been used for centuries by those who have trouble falling asleep. Like lemon balm, chamomile increases GABA levels, calming anxious thoughts and inducing sleep. The antioxidants in chamomile also support liver health. How to make liver detox tea? Place 1 teaspoon of milk thistle, dandelion root, lemon balm, and chamomile along with half a teaspoon of turmeric and grated ginger into a tea infuser. Place the infuser in a cup and pour 1 cup of boiling water over it. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the active ingredients to infuse into the tea. After steeping, remove the infuser. Drink your tea an hour before bedtime. While milk thistle and dandelion root cleanse your liver, turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation in your body. Meanwhile, lemon balm and chamomile calm your mind and nervous system, preparing you for a restful sleep. This detox tea may have a slightly bitter taste. If you prefer, you can add half a teaspoon of organic honey after steeping. After drinking it, you'll feel your entire body relaxing and unwinding. For a deep liver cleanse and restful sleep, we recommend drinking this tea every night for at least 1 week. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Have a healthy and pleasant day.